In today's digital age, children are becoming adept at technology from a very young age. In fact, many toddlers have a more intuitive grasp of touch and swipe functions than many older adults. While it's essential to regulate screen exposure for kids' overall well-being, a toddler-specific tablet can be a lifesaver when you need to keep your child engaged. This kind of tablet can optimize their screen time by ensuring they're not just amused but also gaining valuable skills. Unlike passive TV watching, these tools foster active learning interactions. However, it's important to note that tablets designed for toddlers shouldn't be mistaken for mere toy. It's vital to choose a device that's safe, durable, and packed with apps suitable for their age. We've compiled a list of our top picks for the finest toddler tablets currently available on the market. All product links are provided in the description. 1. Animal Island AILA Sit and Play. The Animal Island AILA Sit and Play is a standout choice for those seeking a toddler tablet deeply rooted in educational content. Inspired by preschool curricula, this tablet offers a comprehensive suite of interactive activities aimed at fostering early learning. Children benefit from a rich blend of vocabulary exercises, foundational skills like counting and color recognition, and engaging sing-alongs and stories. What sets AILA apart is its adaptive approach. The tablet tailors content based on a child's developmental milestones, ensuring that the learning experience remains relevant and progressive. Moreover, parents have the added advantage of closely monitoring their child's educational journey through the AILA for Parents app. The tablet boasts a 7-inch screen, a generous 32 GB of internal storage, and a battery life that can last up to 4 hours on a single charge. On the positive side, the ad-free interface guarantees an uninterrupted learning experience, while the repetitive nature of the content aids in better retention for toddlers. 2. VTech Light Up Baby Touch Tablet. The VTech Light Up Baby Touch Tablet offers toddlers an engaging and educational play experience. Designed for young learners aged 9 to 36 months, this tablet introduces them to fundamental concepts such as letters, numbers, and shapes through interactive activities. Central to its design is Cody the Smart Cub, who serves as a playful companion, enhancing the imaginative play experience. The tablet's features are tailored to captivate young minds. Its light-up screen responds to swipes and taps, creating a visually stimulating environment for learning. Moreover, with over 160 songs, melodies, sounds, and phrases incorporated, the device ensures a lively auditory experience for children. One of the standout features is the tablet's emulation of adult activities. Much like parents, kids can explore pretend emails and check simulated weather in time, adding a touch of realism to their play sessions. The interactive element is further enriched by Cody the VTech Smart Cub, whom toddlers can tap on to engage with as they navigate through various learning screens. Parents will appreciate the tablet's thoughtful design. It comes with 10+ pretend apps and activities, fostering imaginative play and skill development. Additionally, for convenience, the tablet is powered by 3 AAA batteries, with demo batteries included, ensuring that it's ready for immediate use. However, for prolonged usage, it's advisable to replace them with new batteries. In conclusion, the VTech Light Up Baby Touch Tablet in pink seamlessly blends entertainment with education, making it a delightful learning companion for toddlers. 3. LeapFrog LeapPad Academy Kids Tablet. The LeapFrog LeapPad Academy Kids Tablet is a comprehensive learning tool tailored for children between the ages of 3 to 8. Positioned as a bridge to academic success, this tablet comes packed with an impressive array of features and content aimed at nurturing various skills, from math and reading to coding and creativity. Key among its features is a 7-inch shatterproof screen, ensuring durability amidst the inevitable drops and tumbles that come with young users. For added protection, the tablet is equipped with a built-in stand and a bumper case. With 16 GB of internal storage, there's ample space for apps and files, while a battery life of 7 hours ensures extended usage period. Additionally, the inclusion of dual cameras facilitates video chatting, fostering connectivity and communication skills. One of the highlights is the abundant content that comes preloaded, boasting over 20 apps amounting to approximately $175 worth of educational material. This content-rich environment is complemented by a 3-month subscription to the LeapFrog Academy, enhancing the learning potential manifold. From a parental perspective, the tablet offers peace of mind. Integrated parental controls allow for the setting of time limits and the selection of approved websites, ensuring a safe online experience for young users. Moreover, the home screen's customization feature adds a personalized touch, tailoring the interface to the child's preferences. However, it's worth noting a few considerations. Users may encounter content-disruptive ads during usage. Given the device's importance, investing in a warranty is advisable. Additionally, some users have reported that the charging port can be a bit finicky, requiring careful handling. 4. Dragon Touch Max 10 Android Tablet. The Dragon Touch Max 10 Android tablet is equipped with a 10-inch display and offers 32 GB of storage. One of its standout features is the advanced Android 12 operating system, ensuring kids benefit from a smarter and faster experience. Beyond the software, the tablet's hardware is commendable. It operates on a robust 64-bit quad-core processor that is paired with 3 GB of RAM, making it well-suited for various tasks such as entertainment, browsing, gaming, shopping, and learning. This versatility ensures that every member of the family can find value in using the device. Additionally, the Max 10 is GMS certified, guaranteeing seamless access to a wide array of Google services like Gmail, YouTube, Drive, Maps, and the Play Store without encountering any limitations. Moreover, the tablet provides access to an extensive range of apps and content, including popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Netflix. Storage capabilities are a notable feature of the Max 10. With its built-in 32 GB storage and the option to expand up to an additional 256 GB via microSD cards, users have ample space to store their favorite books, songs, photos, movies, and games. This flexibility ensures that users can personalize their device to cater to their specific entertainment and productivity needs. Furthermore, the Max 10 enhances the entertainment experience with its 10.1-inch HD2 5D Glass IPS touchscreen. The inclusion of dual speakers further elevates the audio-visual experience, ensuring clarity and depth in sound output. Coupled with dual-band Wi-Fi capability, operating on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, and a commendable 10-hour video playback battery life, the tablet is designed to provide an unparalleled entertainment experience. Whether users are browsing the internet, engaging in video chats, immersing themselves in gaming sessions, or binge-watching their favorite shows, the Max 10 is poised to deliver a seamless and enjoyable experience. 5. Blackview Tab 6 Kids. The Blackview Tab 6 Kids is meticulously crafted, offering a combination of a kid-friendly design with robust hardware and software. Tailored for both children and parents, it promises durability, safety, and simplicity. The tablet stands as a gateway to an enchanting world of education and entertainment, boasting a captivating child-oriented theme alongside a standard option. The carefully chosen wallpaper and app icon colors of the cartoon-inspired theme are visually appealing and gentle on young eyes. With its expansive 8-inch display featuring minimal bezel, the Tab 6 Kids rivals contemporary smartphones in screen size. Designed to evolve with your child, the Tab 6 Kids supports developmental milestones from recognizing patterns and colors to fostering word mastery and critical thinking. The built-in eye protection mode adjusts screen brightness, ensuring a comfortable reading experience while minimizing eye strain. For avid readers, the tablet's ebook mode transforms the interface into grayscale, mirroring the aesthetics of dedicated e-readers and reducing eye fatigue during extensive reading sessions. The dark mode optimizes screen brightness for comfortable viewing, maintaining essential color contrast. The dual-screen entertainment feature allows users to split the screen, operating 2 applications simultaneously, seamlessly blending learning with entertainment. Further enhancing its versatility, the integrated memo feature supports image and voice recording, handwritten notes, and to-do lists, ensuring uninterrupted productivity and entertainment. These controls empower parents with tools to curate content, set educational milestones, manage website access, and even control screen time.